Okay, so now we're ready to actually draw some curves in space. So all I'm going to do is using my right hand, I'm going to press that trigger, and you can see that dropped kind of one glob there, but I'm going to press that trigger and kind of move through space. So this gets really interesting pretty quickly. One of the things I want to point out is that the tool that you use actually really matters a lot. So you can see that this line has tapered ends, and that's because I'm using the ink tool. I think for this project, it's going to be better to be using either the stroke or the point. So if we use the stroke, selecting that with the right hand, uh, you can see that that is more like the ends are rounded. The point is going to feel a little bit familiar to you if you're used to Adobe Illustrator, or maybe this is going to seem kind of familiar from CAD. So you can see that then you're building your lines with points, and once you're happy with that line, you can press the blue check mark. So now here we have two different curves. We can hover over them with our right hand and use kind of the side button to move them around. We can use both of our side buttons at the same time from both controllers to move our composition around in space. And then importantly, if you hover over a line, and while you're holding that side button, you're going to hit the blue button on your left hand. And this is going to bring up your kind of control menu. So this is going to let you fine tune the line that you've drawn. And here again, I would encourage you to go through and, explore all of the different options. But probably most important is that now we can add edit points. We can use our side button on the right hand controller to kind of nudge and pull the edit points that are already in place. And that's going to help us to really start to build a composition. So you do have to be a little bit careful. It's easy to get things kind of out of place, but that's going to be sort of the foundations of how you're going to go about this.